In this video, I will show you how you can fix the blurry photos and the shutter lag problem on the Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or the S26 Ultra. Now to do that, first of all, just grab your Samsung phone and use a soft cloth and clean the camera lens of your phone, because dirt and oil might build up on the camera lens and this can significantly lower down the camera quality. So just clean the camera lens. Also, while capturing photos and recording videos, just make sure you keep your phone still, because even minor vibrations can make the photos come out blurry. Now after you've done that, now for the actual settings which will improve the camera quality, just open the camera app and from here just tap on the four dots over here. Then tap on the settings icon and under the camera settings just scroll down and under the general section you will find the option for tracking autofocus. Now if this option is turned on, just turn it off. After you do that, then just scroll down to the bottom of the page and tap on Camera Assistant. After you do that, this pop-up will appear which will ask you to download the Camera Assistant. Just select Install. And after you install Camera Assistant, just tap on this option one more time and you will open these Camera Assistant settings. Over here, if you scroll down a bit, you will find the section of Focus. Now over here, you will find a few options. First of all, you will find the option for prioritize focus over speed. Now if this option is turned on, just turn it off. After that, just scroll down a bit more. And under the shutter section, you will find the option for quick tap shutter. Now just make sure you enable this option. After that, just scroll down and you will find the option for advanced photo mode controls. Just open this section. Now over here, just tap on the minimum shutter speed. Now, if you're capturing a photo of an object which is moving, like your pet, now from here just increase the shutter speed. I recommend you set it on 1/120 or 1/500. But keep in mind that when you increase the shutter speed, your camera will have less time to pick up detail, so you'll need to capture your photos in a good lighting conditions. Otherwise, your photos can come out grainy or low in quality. Now, after you've done that, just check if your issue is fixed or not. Now if you have done that and if your issue is still not fixed, then just go back to the camera app and tap on the four dots over here. Go to settings and under the camera settings just scroll down to the bottom of the page and you will find the option for reset camera settings. Just tap on it, then select reset. After that, just go to your home screen and perform a restart on your phone. To do that, just open the quick settings. Over here, just tap on the power icon and select restart. And after your phone finishes restarting, then just go back to the camera app and check if your issue is fixed or not. Now if you have done all of that and if your issue is still not fixed, then you might have a hardware problem with your Samsung phone. Just take your smartphone to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.